Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of the automotive industry. It is a South Korean automotive brand, founded by Chung Ju-young on December 29, 1967, quickly growing into one of the largest automakers in the world. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Hyundai, 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 Hyundai. An interesting fact about Hyundai is that it offers a diverse range of vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and even electric and hybrid models. Hyundai is also known for its commitment to safety and advanced technology, often incorporating innovative features in their vehicles. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Hyundai, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.